Cooking. She is cooking dinner for her family. Doing exercise. I try to do some exercise every morning. Drawing. What do you do for fun? For fun, I like to draw pictures. Fishing. I love to go fishing in my free time. Flying a kite. On a windy day, I love flying a kite by the beach. Gardening. Gardening is my favorite hobby. Hiking. She enjoys hiking and climbing in her spare time. Painting. What's your hobby? My hobby is painting. Playing football. I sometimes play football after the school. Playing the guitar. Do you have any hobbies? I like to play the guitar and learn new languages. Playing the piano. I enjoy playing the piano. Reading. What do you like to do in your spare time? In my spare time, I read books. Riding a bike. What do you do in your free time? I really enjoy riding a bike in my free time. Roller skating. I often go roller skating on a Sunday afternoon. Riding a horse. She loves horse riding. Shopping. I enjoy shopping for unique finds. Singing. I love singing a song. Taking photos. I enjoy taking photos of nature. Skiing. He enjoys skiing with his wife. Skateboarding. I'm going skateboarding after school.
Watching TV. We are watching TV now. Surfing the web. I spent the evening surfing the web for new recipes. Swimming. I like swimming on my back. Traveling. She does a lot of traveling. Walking with a dog. I walk my dog every morning.